Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Wolf. Today we're learning how to add a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number with regrouping. When we regroup, we take 10 ones and make it into a group of 10. Our first problem today is 23 plus 8. As we've done in the past, we're going to make sure we have a tens place and a ones place. We're also going to place a regrouping box today. This regrouping box is a really important addition to our number sentence. It's kind of like a new room in the tens place. Just like before, we're going to make 23, 2 tens, 3 ones. We have to make sure that our 23 is side by side. Sometimes when we have a 2-digit number and we have a regrouping box, first graders like to put your ones in this blank spot. But just move your ones down a little bit so your 2-digit number is side by side. Now we're going to add 8 plus 8 and the equal sign. All right, where do we always start? That's right, in the ones. So we're going to draw 3 ones. We're also going to draw 8 ones. Those are the two numbers that we're adding. When I add 3 plus 8, I get a total of 11. I like to start the bigger number, so this is 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh. Does anyone see the problem here? That's right. 11 is a 2-digit number. We've made a 10. I'm going to just make a group of 10. Take this 8, 9, 10. I'm even going to label this new group of 10 so I can remember. 8 plus 3 is 11, but we can't put 11 underneath in our answer. We're just going to record the 1. There's 1 left over. This one right here. Now over here in the tens, this regrouping box, we can use it today. How many groups of 10 did we make? That's right, we made 1 group of 10. Because I drew my picture today, I'm actually just going to erase my pictures over here so I don't forget. 1 new 10. 2 tens were already there. So 1 10 plus 2 tens is 3 tens all together. The answer to 23 plus 8 is 31. Our second question today is 64 plus 9. Pause the video and try to rewrite the number sentence. All right, let's see what you have. Does your number sentence look like mine? The first thing I did was make a regrouping box. Next, I had 64, and I made sure that 64 was side by side. 6 tens, 4 ones, and I'm adding 9 ones. Time for a picture. My picture has 4 ones and 9 ones. So when I count them all together, 9 plus 4 is 13. Remember, count on if you need to. 10, 11, 12, 13. Uh-oh, 13 cannot live in the ones. We're going to make sure that we have a group of 10. I'm going to take these 9 down here. Just use one more. I always label it. There we go. I made 1 group of 10, and we know that group of 10 cannot live there. It has to go live with the other 10s. I'm just going to put the 110 in the regrouping box. 110. I drew my pictures today, so I can just erase it. How many ones are left over? 3. So those 3 ones can live happily in the ones place. Now we can solve for the tens. This is the new 10 up here that we made. 1 10 plus 6 tens equals, draw a picture if you need to. 1 10 that I made, and then 6 more tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. And our answer is 73. Nice work following along. Get ready for our last question. Here's our last practice question. 37 plus 5. Pause your video and see if you can write the number sentence going vertically or stacked. Don't forget that regrouping box. Does your number sentence look like mine? Let's get ready to solve. Where are we going to start? You're right again. We're starting in the ones. If you know the fact, you can move on with the regrouping box. If you need a little extra help, draw the dots. 7 plus 5 equals, count on, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh, there's that problem again. We have more than 10. We're going to take 10 of them and make a new 10. Here's 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure to label it that so your brain knows that you made a new group of 10. We made one group of 10, so it's going to have to go live with the other 10s. I'm going to put it in its new room here in the 10. Once I've used the regrouping box, I can just erase these over here. How many ones do I have left over? I have 2 ones, and they can continue to live with the ones. Now we can move on to the 10s. 1 10 plus 3 10s equals, here are the pictures if you need help, 4 10s. So we just solved 37 plus 5. You now have 3 more questions for your math journal. If you need help, please let your teacher know. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great day.